Hey, Tex, hold on to your seats here. We're gonna go meet some friends of mine. Yes, it's your good buddy, Bart Bob, and I'm here to introduce to you some good fine friends, Dennis and Teresa Horry of D's Enterprises.
A lot of times you'll run across a major repair, a very expensive repair, and you realize that you don't know the situation of the customer and whether they're prepared to spend a lot of money or they just want to get a quick fix or whatever. But so usually what I'll do is I'll come up with some options that I think are feasible to fix the problem. Obviously, I'm going to lean them towards the option that I feel is most important.